The 4 best competitor analysis tools for Amazon sellers, Shulex VOC. Competitor analysis tools for Amazon sellers. Shulex VOC, AI-driven platform that allows you to quickly and accurately analyze customer reviews, obtain detailed insights into customer sentiment, and identify customer concerns, complaints, and expectations. Helium 10, comprehensive suite of tools designed to give you an edge over your competition, providing all the features you need to manage, track, and optimize your Amazon business. Includes a market tracker, analytics, and tools to automate tedious tasks. Seller app, all-in-one tool to stay on top of your competition and understand the market. Includes Amazon PPC tool, profit checker tool, listing optimization, product research, keyword explorer, keyword ranking tracker, and business alerts. Data Hawk, in-depth competitor landscapes, SEO analytics, sales analytics, finance and sales dashboards, track profit and loss, advertising analytics, marketplace analytics, and product analytics.